Hi everyone! Welcome back to Mellori English Academy. I'm Mellori. Today, we're going to practice real English that you can use at a coffee shop.
And I'm Thomas. In this lesson, you'll hear a natural conversation at a place called Ida's Coffee, and you'll learn how to order drinks and snacks in clear, simple English.
If you're new here, this channel is all about everyday English conversations to help you speak with confidence in real life.
Before we start, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next conversations. And if you want more videos like this, please give this lesson a like. It really helps our small channel grow.
All right, let's go to Ida's Coffee.
Hi there, welcome to Ida's Coffee. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, thanks. Actually, there are so many choices. Could you give me a minute?
Of course, take your time. We have lots of different coffees and snacks. If you'd like, I can tell you about some of our popular drinks.
That would be great. I usually drink a simple latte, but today I want to try something a little different.
Sure. So our most popular hot drinks are a medium latte, a cappuccino, an Americano, and a caramel macchiato. For cold drinks, we have iced coffee, iced lattes, and a mocha frappe.
They all sound good. What do you recommend if I want something sweet but not too strong?
I'd recommend our vanilla latte. It's a little sweet, but the coffee isn't too strong. You can have it hot or iced.
That sounds perfect. I think I'll get a vanilla latte.
Great! Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
And what size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
So that's one medium hot vanilla latte. Would you like anything to eat with that? We have muffins, cookies, and sandwiches.
Let me see. What kind of muffins do you have?
We have blueberry, chocolate chip, and banana nut.
I love blueberry. I'll take one blueberry muffin, please.
Perfect. One blueberry muffin. Anything else today?
No, that's all, thank you.
Is that for here or to go?
For here, please. I'd like to sit and enjoy it.
Great. You can choose any table you like. By the way, do you want your muffin warmed up?
Oh, yes, please. Could you warm it up a little?
Absolutely. I'll warm it up for you.
It smells amazing in here. Do you bake the muffins in the shop?
Thanks. We bake some things here, and some come from a local bakery. The blueberry muffins are from the bakery down the street. They're really good.
Nice. I love when coffee shops use local bakeries.
Yeah, people really like it.
If I come back next time and want something stronger, what would you recommend?
If you want a stronger coffee taste, you could try an Americano or a flat white. An Americano is just espresso with hot water, and a flat white is similar to a latte, but with a stronger coffee flavor.
Got it. Americano or flat white for a stronger taste. I'll remember that.
All right, your total is $5.50.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Do you need a receipt?
No, that's okay, thanks.
No problem. You can pick up your drink at the end of the counter. I'll call your name when it's ready. What's your name?
It's Mellori.
Mellori. Great. I'll have that ready in just a minute. Medium hot vanilla latte and a warm blueberry muffin for Mellori.
That's me, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee and muffin.
Thanks, you too. Well, enjoy your day at Ida's Coffee.
I will. Have a great day.
Now, let's look at some useful phrases from this conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after me.
Phrase 1. What can I get started for you today? Repeat. What can I get started for you today?
This is a friendly way for a barista to say, "What do you want to order?" You'll hear this a lot in coffee shops. Repeat together. What can I get started for you today?
Phrase 2. Could you give me a minute? Repeat. Could you give me a minute?
You can use this when you need more time to choose. It's polite and very natural. Repeat. Could you give me a minute?
Phrase 3. What do you recommend? Repeat. What do you recommend?
Use this when you want a suggestion. It's a great way to sound friendly and to learn about popular drinks or snacks. Repeat. What do you recommend?
Phrase 4. For here or to go? Repeat. For here or to go?
This question means, will you drink it in the cafe or will you take it with you? Repeat. For here or to go?
Phrase 5. I'll take a blueberry muffin, please.
This structure, I'll take or I'll have, is very common when ordering. Try it with your favorite snack. I'll take a, please. Great job today. Now you know how to order a drink and a snack at a coffee shop in English.
Tell us in the comments, what's your usual coffee order? Or, if you don't drink coffee, what snack would you order at Ida's Coffee? Write your answer in English to practice.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Mellori English Academy so you don't miss our next real-life conversations. See you in the next episode.
See you next time. Bye for now.